Hi, this is Chris Gould with Geeks on Tour, and I want to show you how to watch a segment where we teach Facebook in our What Does This Button Do weekly class on YouTube. First of all, just go to our website, geeksontour.com, and click on the menu item called Weekly Class. This is where you will see all the archives of so far 152 episodes of our What Does This Button Do show. The one I want to show you is number 68, so I'm going to keep scrolling down. And with every one, you can see a description of what is taught in that episode. Here's 68, Facebook app for mobile, and you just click on the link where it says 68 with notes and links. And anybody can watch the video. Just click play there and you can maximize it to the window and you can watch the whole 45-minute episode. But if you are a member, you have a username and password. After you've logged in, you will see the complete class notes. So you don't have to watch the whole video. You can review the notes and maybe learn everything you want, or at least remember something that you watched before. If you want to watch a particular segment, there is a timeline link over here. You click that and it takes you to the YouTube video right at that point.
First, I want to make sure people understand.
Make sure to maximize it.
Okay. That the Facebook is not on your mobile device. Facebook is not on your computer. The content. Facebook is in the cloud. So all of your stuff, everything that you enter is in the cloud. You just use whatever device is most convenient at the time to access it. If you delete it from one, it won't be there when you look in the other because you're deleting it from the cloud. But that said, the experience can be very different on a computer versus a tablet versus a phone. Just the most obvious one, as this slide shows, a computer has a bigger screen, so it can divide up your experience into 3 columns that do different things. On a tablet, if you're holding it horizontal, you will very likely have 2 columns. On a phone, you're only going to have 1, so the smaller screen. And then even then on the different apps, you might get a slightly different experience. You might have to hunt a little bit to find where a command is that you're used to. And there are a few things that still can only be done on the computer. So we're just going to be talking about the mobile. And even on a mobile, there's 2 choices. You can just open your browser, Chrome or Safari or Firefox, and go to facebook.com. And it will most likely take you to m.facebook.com because that is the specially designed website for mobile. And on that website, you have this toolbar. For the first one is newsfeed, the second one is friend requests, the third one is messages, the fourth one is notifications, then there's search, and then there's menu. You have all the same buttons on the app, they'll just be in slightly different places. If you choose to use the website method, you can make a shortcut on your home screen so that it's just a single tap to get there. So you don't have to open your browser and navigate to facebook.com every time. And if you want to know how to save that icon, we covered that in episode 28. Now, then there is the app. The app is a little bit cleaner looking. It doesn't have to crowd as much into the space. It doesn't have to have the URL, the address bar at the top. So that's where they stick the whole search bar. And so what's better, the website or the app? Well, there are things you can do with the app that you can't do from the website as easily, like it's available from the sharing list, and I will show you that. If you want to instantly take a picture, share with Facebook, Facebook won't be in the sharing list if you're using the website. The app you need to download. So it's going to take up some space on your device just by downloading the app. And it's going to work in the background. It might use more battery. So if you're really concerned about your device, you don't want to use too much battery, you don't want to use too much space or resources, then the website's good for you. Personally, I like the speed and ease of use of the app. So it's either going to be easier on you or easier on your device. And I say the device can handle it. I want it to be easier on me.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, but there's very little difference actually. So try them both and see which one you like. I am going to be using the app for this demo.